Hi guys. Today I want to try new Gacha Club mod. It kinda cool, not gonna lie. Look at the line there. The line will bring me to other dimension. Let's go. Finally I'm here. Wait, why am crying?
There are some new cloth. You can even become a cow. My favorite is the uncloth one, is the tails and the gacha cute.
I'm so shy.
I don't care. By the way, there's some new face shadow. You disgusting. I'm mad now. My favorite is there are new item and jacket. And in skirt. Now I have my new appearance in Gacha Star.